खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे उड़े, दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे। ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ, खुली है जो पर कहेगी नजर, लगता है अब है जागे हम। फिक्रें जो थी पीछे रह गई, निकले उनसे आगे हम। हवा में बह रही है जिंदगी, ये हमसे कह रही है जिंदगी। ओहो अब तो जो भी हो सो।
For 50 glorious years now, from 1966 to 2016, AVA has been the reservoir of strength and perseverance for the families of the brave men and women who make up the fabric of Indian Army. But the legendary saga of courage and bravery has its own dark moments of distress and pain. The wars of 1962 and 1965 were not only fought on the cold, barren ranges of the Himalayas, or the vast stretches of Rann of Kutch. They were fought in every house from where a father, a husband, a brother or a son had laid down his life for the honor and glory of India. To bridge this gap between the supreme sacrifice by our war heroes and the pain and agony of the families left behind, a benevolent organization was created to instill hope, trust and faith. The Army Wives Welfare Association, AVA, was born on 23rd August 1966. In the following few years, as AVA grew in strength and size, it evolved into a structured and organized unit much like the Indian Army. As AVA now completes 50 eventful years of active service, it has transformed into a multifaceted organization undertaking multitude of activities across the country under the able guidance of the AVA President and all regional presidents. All the welfare activities carried out by Central AVA are replicated by all the Army commands across the country. From rehabilitation of war widows to empowerment of women, from improvement of habitat to education scholarships, from entertainment to recreational facilities, from counseling for marital harmony to promoting family health and hygiene, from caring for differently abled children to personality development, from stress management to welfare of patients in hospitals. AVA provides a ray of hope, Asha, with unbounded trust, Vishwas, together with a new faith, Astha, for every member of this large army family.
जयंती के इस शुभ अवसर पर मैं अपनी एक्स प्रेसिडेंट्स आवा और तमाम वॉलंटियर्स को बधाई देती हूँ, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ कि उनके निस्वार्थ भाव से उन्होंने आवा को बहुत सहयोग दिया है और कई चुनौतियों का सामना करते हुए आवा को इस मुकाम पर पहुँचाया है। मेरी हमेशा से ये सोच रही है कि सैन्य पत्नियां किसी न किसी क्षेत्र में योग्यता हासिल करें और वो आत्मनिर्भर बने।
AVA takes the responsibility of the families and Veer Naris under its flagship project Ahvan. Ahvan's main goal is the empowerment of Veer Naris and disabled children of the Indian Army. Vocational training is provided to the Veer Naris so that they can gain self-employment and live a dignified, independent life. A large number of families have been benefited through the endeavors of Ahvan.
मेरे हस्बैंड की डेथ ऑपरेशन रक्षक में 2001 में हुई थी। उस टाइम तो मुझे लगा कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती हूँ इस दुनिया में, लेकिन इस आह्वान में आके मुझे हर चीज़ जानने को मिला, देखने को मिला। अभी मुझे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस मिल गया।
2015 11 फरवरी मैंने उनको हेलीकॉप्टर क्रैश में खो दिया। समझ नहीं आया लाइफ कहाँ रुक गई, आकर क्या हुआ ज़िंदगी में, आज तक समझ नहीं आ पाया। आज मेरा बच्चा अच्छे स्कूल में देहरादून बेलम बॉयज़ में पढ़ रहा है। एटलीस्ट मेरे हस्बैंड को एक चीज़ की तो खुशी मिलेगी कि जो वो नहीं कर पाया वो आवा और मैंने कर दिखाया।
मेरे पिताजी का नाम नायब सूबेदार राधेश्याम सिंह है। वो 2003 में कारगिल में देश की सेवा करते हुए शहीद हो गए थे। मैं कैंटोनमेंट जनरल हॉस्पिटल में मेडिकल ऑफिसर हूँ। मेरा छोटा वाला भाई SDM है। तो मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में थैंक्स देना चाहूँगी आवा को और आर्मी को, जिसकी वजह से हम आज यहाँ पर हैं और मेरी फैमिली एक अच्छे मोड़ पर है।
AVA's moral obligation does not end with the end of war on the battlefields. This was the guiding vision for the launch of Prerna in 2002 at the Delhi Cantonment Army Hospital. The aim of Prerna is to provide the social and emotional support to patients suffering from cancer through counseling sessions by trained volunteers. One of AVA's most treasured and gratifying projects is Asha School. Seeing the smiles on the faces of children with special needs, how could it not be? The facilities at Asha School include speech therapy, physiotherapy, hydrotherapy, equine therapy, canine therapy, computer training, pre-vocational training, herbal garden and a playground. Asha School has been able to uplift the lives of a large number of specially abled children over the years.
मेरा नाम मंजू है। मैं आशा स्कूल में पढ़ती थी, अब मैं आवा में काम करती हूँ।
मेरे पास बहुत सारी लेडीज़ आती थी जिनके बच्चे डिफरेंटली एबल थे। वो हमेशा बोलती थी कि मैम 18 साल के बाद हमारे बच्चे कहाँ जाएं?
To provide employment to the specially abled children of the Indian Army who are over 18 years of age, the Vishwas Cell was launched in July 2016. Interactive training for skilled activities is provided at AVA's Vishwas Cell to these children so that they can become self-reliant and independent. Hard work breeds success, a statement that is truly personified at AVA's Parishram Cell, that was launched as an industrial unit to manufacture clothing products with the intent of providing employment to Veer Naris as well as families of serving soldiers. A strong and an active supply line has a boosting impact on the strength and morale of the soldiers. AVA's symbolic supply line is its lunch project. This noble cause progressed with the aim of providing hygienic meal at reasonable rates to all ranks and civilians of the 3 services posted at the integrated headquarters. The AVA Women's Hostel is a premier AVA venture established in 1991 with the welfare cause of providing boarding and lodging facilities for college-going girls of all ranks of army serving and retired throughout the country. It has now earned the status of being one of the best girls' hostel for discipline, security, academic excellence and facilities. A state-of-the-art hostel with excellent training facilities that recognizes the talent in the wards of serving soldiers has been established in Udhampur. The Drona Boys Hostel is a venture that has been created for furtherance of AVA welfare activities throughout the country. Army cantonments all over the country have marketing centers which provides a golden opportunity for the wives of the soldiers to exhibit and sell goods produced by them at vocational centers. Some of the popular welfare outlets are Sajani, Pankhuri, Pallavi and Arohi. For the past 50 years, under the able guidance of the past presidents, AVA has been working relentlessly towards the empowerment and holistic development of the families of Indian Army. The future of this splendid organization looks very bright under the able guidance of its current president, who has a very clear vision and a meticulously chalked out plan for AVA for the years to come.
मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि आने वाले समय में आवा का दायरा केवल आर्मी तक सीमित नहीं रहेगा, बल्कि नारी कल्याण के क्षेत्र में हम राष्ट्रीय व अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर अपना योगदान देंगे।
AVA rose from the ashes of war to fulfill the need of the hour after witnessing first-hand the devastation suffered by the families of the Indian Army. AVA continues to rehabilitate and empower, spreading Asha, Vishwas, Astha. ये पदक और सम्मान सब लगा के रखती है सीने से जब तक है जान। अपने पति का रखते हुए मान, नन्ही सी जान को फिर से भेज देती है होने सरहद पर कुर्बान। वीर नारी की यही है पहचान। इन्हें तहे दिल से प्रणाम, इन्हें तहे दिल से प्रणाम, इन्हें तहे दिल से प्रणाम।